Hello everyone. So today I will be showcasing my the Sparks Foundation internship which I have been enrolled in. It is basically a graduate rotational internship program in which we are supposed to do a variety of tasks. Now, from the task which were given to me, I thought of doing the basic banking system in which we are supposed to create a simple dynamic website which has this following specs. It should start with a very dummy data in a database for up to 10 customers. The database options can be MySQL, MongoDB. We are using MySQL inside PHP admin. Then it should have a home page, then view all customers, select and view one customer, transfer money, and etc. There should not be any login page, and the website should be hosted on any of the three platforms mentioned here. And also, we need to upload our code in GitHub. So, I have made the project in VS Code. Let me show you. So, this is the whole project. If you see, we have different .php files that we have created. So this is the main.html, this is nav.php, this is for selecting user details, this is transaction history, and this is transfer money.php. There are a lot more, but let me first take you to the front end part. So this is actually the front end part what we have built. You can clearly see that our project is in localhost. So this I've just mentioned, welcome to demo bank. This click will take us to view all the users, in which whatever users we have registered, they are there. This is the second button. This is for transfer money. It will help us to transfer money from one bank account to another bank account. This button follows the transfer history for all the history that we have done, starting from one person to another person. Now you can clearly see how I have designed these three buttons. They all emit light. I have used CSS for this. Now in the right upper hand, there are three buttons: home, about me, and contact me. As the task mentioned that we are supposed to host our project in the website part, so I've used webhost.com. You can clearly see that my website status is running, and this is the website link which I've already opened. Let me show it to you. As you can clearly see, this is the exact replica of what I showed in the localhost projects. It also has three buttons following view all users, transfer money, and transfer history, including the right above three buttons: home, about me, and contact me. So let me show you how this works. So I can show you in my localhost also and in the website also. I'm choosing localhost. You can also visit my website. I'll link it in the description. So if we click on view all the users, it will redirect us to another page which says transfer money. Now there are a lot of individuals. For now we have simply 10 individuals who have their ID, their name, their email ID, and the balance, and the operation part which has just one button: transaction. If we click on transact, for example, let us choose Rohit. Now we click on transact. Now you can clearly see there is a column transaction which has four columns beneath: ID, name, email, and balance. This is the person from which we are transferring money. Now you can clearly see it is transferred to. Now we have a choose button by which we can choose. Now what I've done is I've listed all the users that were there earlier in our database, and you can clearly see how much balance they have, so that we can clearly transfer as per our need. Let's transfer it to Nakul. We have chosen Nakul. Now in the amount field, we can fill our desired amount. Let us fill rupees 500. After that, we can click on transfer and it will be done. If I click on transfer, it shows local host says transaction successful. Press the OK button. It will redirect us to the transaction history. Now, if we go down, we can see Rohit to Nakul 500 rupees at what time, what date. So this is following current timestamp format. Transaction history also has certain columns: serial number, sender, receiver, amount, and date and time. This button, home button, redirects us to the main home screen page where we already saw all the three options. Now let me show you in the what is about me. If I click on about me, it will redirect us to a basically a portfolio website which I have made. It's a simple website which shows my name and what is my aspiration in life. This is about me and it has certain columns in the right hand menu. If I want to press back, and the third part which is left is contact me. If I place contact me, then it shows a beautiful looking, purely made out of HTML and CSS contact me file where we can fill name, email ID and our message, and then you can send me. The same thing, the exact replica has been made in it has been hosted in the web with the name ashutosh0071.000webhostapp.com. Now it also has view all the users. If we click on view all the web users, it will redirect us to the same transfer money column which has ID, name, email, balance, operation. If we click transact, let's try a different person this time. Let's say we are transferring from Neeraj. Okay, then we'll press on transact. It will redirect us to the transaction part. Now we can choose transfer to. Let us choose Dilip this time. Let us choose we are donating 300 rupees to the person. Now click on transfer. And then again it shows, see earlier it showed localhost. Now it shows the name of the website, says transaction successful. Now it will redirect us to transaction page. In the ninth part you can see Neeraj to Dilip, amount is 300, date and time. As you can clearly see that we have made this project, and by this project I have learned a lot, especially about HTML, CSS, PHP, and have enhanced my experience. I would like to thank the SPARKS Foundation for giving me this beautiful opportunity and helping me building my skill. Thank you.